Today we are going to see how simple file uploading becomes with Playwright MCP Server. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vision. So this file uploading we are going to do with file upload tool. So this browser file upload tool in Playwright MCP Server helps automatically upload single or multiple files. Now let's first see the scenario which we are going to check. So here we will go to this wishinfinite.com and here we are going to go to this playground section. And under playground section, you need to go to this file handling section. And here we have this file upload, right? And from here we can select any file, right? Here I am selecting this sample file 1.txt. Just open it and see the file got uploaded. We are able to see this alert pop up. We can simply click on OK. And here it is showing that selected sample file 1.txt. So this particular scenario, first we are going to perform with the help of Playwright. So let me open VS Code here. Then the VS Code, first what you need to do this whole Playwright project setup. After that, you need to create one test script file where you need to import the test or expect if it is required. Then we need to create a test block. Here we can give the title and anonymous function. And inside the anonymous function, we will have to do this navigation. We will have to go to that particular file uploading section, right? Or file handling section. And then we need to upload the file. So for that, we have this line. That page.getByTestID, here it is using getByTestID to detect the element, and then we need to use this set input files to upload the file. Here we can mention multiple files or the single file. For now we are uploading a single file. If you want to upload multiple files, then also you just need to use the simple same method, set input files, but here you need to pass an array with path and file. Let me show you that example. So previously into Playwright related video we have already discussed it, right? So I will not go in much detail, but here as you can see we are using that set input files method, but here we are passing an array where path / file name.txt is there. It can be any file, let's say it can be XLSX or docs, right? Or if you want to upload a single file, as I told you, you can just simply mention path with file name.extension. And after that, here we are just putting an assertion that this particular text should be visible. Selected file 1.txt, which is this particular text we are validating. So what we did into the script, we went to this particular site and here we clicked on to this file handling. Then here we uploaded the file and then we just checked that file got uploaded or not. Now let's perform the same with the help of Playwright MCP Server. So for that, you need to provide the prompt, which is this one. Navigate to this wishinfinite.com /playground, which will go to this particular playground tab. And then go to file handling section from left hand navigation and upload the given file under the file upload section. So what we are telling that go to this file handling section and upload given file, which we will give under this file upload section, right? Here you can mention that if you want to check something or you want to check that alert. For now, I'm not doing that. We are just uploading file. Automatically it will do the assertion if it would be required, right? Now let's copy this particular prompt. Let's go to VS Code, and here I'm not telling you how to do this Playwright MCP Server setup, right? That you already know. You need to install prerequisites. You need to set up this Playwright MCP Server with the VS Code. If you have not watched those videos where I have explained all these things, so you can go to my playlist and here you would be able to see setup related video, which are these two, right? So you can watch these two videos if you are not aware about this Playwright MCP Server setup. Now let's go back to VS Code and here let's provide the prompt. And before hitting send, we need to provide one thing. And what is that? We need to provide the file which we want to upload. See here we have mentioned that upload the given file under file upload section. So that's what we need to provide. And here I have kept files under this to upload folder. From anywhere you can upload this file. For now I will upload this file 1.txt file. So for that you can simply drag and drop this file to this checked window. And here we do not need any context, right? So we can close these files also. And here don't forget to select agent from this first drop down. And here from the second drop down we can select any model of our choice. For now I'm selecting this auto. And here as you can see we have already dragged and dropped this file which we want to upload. You can also click on to this attachment icon and can select the file from here. Now let's click on to the send and it will start working on to the prompt. For now it will not ask me for many permissions because I have already previously provided permissions for most of the tools. But accordingly, if you have not provided any permission, you can click on to the allow or always allow. See here, it has opened this page. It went to this file handling section and uploaded the file. So that's why we are seeing this particular alert dialog. And here we can scroll down and click on to this allow, which is asking to approve tool result, where it has already uploaded the file. Let me click on to the allow. So see here into this chat section, you can see that it has used that browser file upload tool. This rain upload files means it has used that particular tool. You can expand it, and here you would be able to see input and output section. Here under the input, this path and path of this particular file with the file name dot extension has been provided. And here if you will see this output section, you would be able to see that it is using this file chooser dot set files method to upload the file. You can see more details here, and after that it has mentioned that it can handle the dialog box which is appearing, and for that it has automatically used this browser handle dialog tool which we previously discussed. And after that we are able to see the summary that perfect, the file upload has been completed successfully. I can see the confirmation on the page showing selected file 1.txt, which is this particular text. Under the file upload section, the file has been uploaded as requested. To summarize what was accomplished, navigate to this particular site. It clicked on to this file handling in the left hand navigation, and then clicked on to this choose file, and then it uploaded this file 1.txt, and then this is the assertion that confirmed and successful upload with the selected file 1.txt message displayed on the page. So that's it. Like this, you can upload any file for your site. And for this, as I told, it is going to use browser file upload tool that you can see by clicking onto this configure tool. And here you would be able to see this Playwright section. Once you will expand it, you would be able to see this browser file upload tool, which is used for uploading one or multiple files. So for now, we have just uploaded one file. But if we want to upload multiple files, what you will have to do? You will have to just simply provide multiple files here as the context. So previously we provided one file. Similarly, we can drag and drop or add multiple files here, right? And here we will have to just tweak the prompt. Like here we have mentioned that upload the given file under the file upload section. But for multiple files, we would be mentioning that upload all the given files under file upload section, right? So you can tweak the prompt as per your requirement. But you should remember that file upload section, right, which is there into your site, should allow uploading multiple files. So like this, you can try to upload file or multiple files for your testing website using the Playwright MCP server. So try it at your end, and if you're facing any issue, just let me know into the comments below. And guys, if you're finding this playlist helpful, let me know into the comments below, and feel free to share your suggestions. I would love to hear your thoughts. And now I will conclude this video here, but before we wrap up, let me give you a quick recap. So here we saw this browser file upload tool in Playwright MCP Server helps to automatically upload file or multiple files. Here we saw the scenario that onto this particular site, we need to go to this playground, and then under file handling section, we have this file upload section where we can upload any file. And to upload the file, first we use this Playwright. For that, we have used this particular code where we need to use this set input files method. And here we can provide single or multiple files to upload. And after that, we provided this particular assertion. And the same thing we can do with the help of Playwright MCP Server. And for that, what we need to do? We just need to provide the prompt. We need not to write any code. We need not to do any Playwright setup. We just need to provide this prompt that navigate to this particular site, then go to file handling section from the left hand navigation and upload the file under file upload section. And here we need to provide the file. So for that, we have just simply dragged and dropped the file which we want to upload under this chat section. And then we provided the prompt, and then it worked on to this particular prompt where it has ran this upload file tool, which is browser file upload tool, which is part of Playwright MCP Server. And like this, you can upload single or multiple files by providing those files as the context, and then by providing the specific prompt. You can write prompt into basic simple language. And that's it from my end. You can click onto this first card to go to the next video. You can click onto the second card to access this whole automation using AI and MCP Server's playlist. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you have any comments, questions or doubts, you can let me know into the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.